Hey y'all, it's your girl Bria. Welcome back to another YouTube video. What's poppin'? What's good? So today we have another eyeshadow makeup look, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what to call them anymore. Today we gonna light it up. We got some Christmas lights per se and some glitter. Once again, for some reason I've been in love with the glitter, so here we go. This is what inspired me today to create this look. It's a little different from hers, but I did really like the lights, but I had to make it simple for y'all. Y'all already know I'm here to make sure y'all can do the simple necessities. So this is the look that I came up with today. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. Make sure you put that post notification bell on to make sure you know every time that I upload. I'm telling you, those post notifications really do help, okay? Every time I upload, you will know. You will get a notification and you will know. So without further ado, oh my god, just roll it. Let's just go. Hey y'all, what's poppin', what's good? So we're going in with the Brow Definer by ABH per always. I'm pretty sure I'm using Granite to fill in my brows. This ain't nothing new, okay? This is not nothing new. And of course, I'm watching Naruto.
We're about to have a lot of fun. Will you put this on for me?
This really sounds like I'm listening to something very not good. Like, boy. So I'm going to continue to fill that in, and then I'm going in with the Busy Gal brows in this shade Black Brown and back combing them, and then regularly combing them through my brows to get more definition and more color. Okay, next we're going to go in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I forget which shade this is. Rumor 6, I believe. And then I set it with the translucent powder from Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm going in with the glitter glue and an angled eyeliner brush from e.l.f. And like I said, I have hooded eyes. I've said this multiple times. I have hooded eyes, okay? So when I try to do like some type of cut crease or over the crease type of look, I literally have to go over my crease. Do not go in your crease, okay? Don't do it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip the eyeliner brush, the angled brush, into the glitter glue. And I'm going to create that wing. I'm going to take the Wahala 1 palette from Juvia's Place and that gold glitter. With the same angled brush, I'm going to tap on the glitter on top of the glitter glue. Kind of like how I did for the spiderweb glam look. I put the glue on and then I put the glitter. So glue, glitter, glue, glitter. That's why I did one eye at a time. And that's what it should be looking like. So we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Duh. Just make sure you're not right in the crease because then it defeats the purpose. No one is really going to see it unless you close your eyes. I want people to see it. So yeah. Now we're going to go into complexion. I put on a primer from Too Faced, the Hangover RX primer. That's what your eyes should be looking like so far. And I'm going in with the Juvia's Place shade stick. I forget what shade this is. I'm so sorry, y'all. But yeah, I'm putting that all over the face. And then I'm going to be using a Morphe brush. A deluxe buffer brush, I believe. And I'm going to just smooth that in. Using a brush with this foundation is way better than using a beauty blender. I'm telling you right now, it's 110% better. Especially with this brush. Next, I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Insta Bake Concealer. And I'm going to put that in my highlighting areas, you know, forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and underneath the eyes. I will say, I will never use this underneath my eyes again. This creases so bad. It looks so beautiful, but it creases under my eyes so bad. So I cannot use this underneath my eyes. It just creases so fast, so quickly, even after I set it. So use with caution. It works everywhere else, just underneath my eyes, it does not work for me. It's sad because it's so beautiful, but it just creases so quickly. It's really nice. Great coverage. Feels great on the skin. It just does not work for underneath my eyes. Couldn't do it. Then I'm going in with the setting powder from Morphe, the Translucent Rich Bacon Set Powder, and putting that underneath my eyes. You know the deal. Everywhere I highlighted is where I'm going to set with that highlighting powder. And then I'm going to go all over the face with the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Loose Powder in the shade Dark. Put that all over the face. I use that to set my eyes also. Y'all know I go in with that Morphe Bronzer that's been, discontinued. But it's so nice, so I keep using it. But I do like the Beauty Bakery bronzers as well. Those are really, really, really nice. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. blush palette in the deep category shade. And I took that color, and I did not have a clean blush brush, so I just used this foundation brush. And I just put it on my cheeks and, of course, my nose. Y'all know I love putting blush on the nose. Looking like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and that's on Reindeer.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
So I have these two liners. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia black liner, and I'm going to figure out where I want to put the line for the lights. So essentially it's going to go around our brows. So I put it around. So I put it down, and then I kind of made a loop to go around, like it's going through your brow. You know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm trying to say.
Barely.
Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's like a string of lights going around your brows. So I do that on both sides with the black liner.
I'm freezing. What's wrong? Are you feeling cold?
He just said he was freezing. Why do y'all be asking the dumbest questions? The dumbest questions. I'm freezing. Are you cold? So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing as you can see on the other side. Like a string of lights wrapping around the brow. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Epic Eyeliner in the shade White.
I'll go out and take one more look around.
It's the freaking bats. You got it.
It's freaking bats.
And I'm making the lights for those string of lights, duh. But we're not gonna stop right there, okay? We're not just gonna do white lights, okay? But this is what it should be looking like so far. So you got your lights. And we're gonna do it to the other side. I'm gonna go back in with the Wahala palette and take this blue and pack it right onto the white line. I'm gonna take another color Pack it onto the next white line. And then I'm gonna take another color and pack it onto that white line. Do you see where I'm going with this? And do you also see how the color does not diffuse the white? It doesn't cover that white. So you can kind of see where it is. And they look like glowing lights. I had to get another palette for some other colors, so I used the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette to get some more colors. And I'm really just packing it on with this BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a dome brush. It's a dense mini dome brush. I'm packing it on top of the white line. So this is what it should look like. And then you go over the white lines one more time. It does not affect the shadow at all. It doesn't move it, doesn't bleed, doesn't ruin the color, nothing. And that just makes them a little bit more brighter. So it gives it that neon type of effect, but still bright, still makes it look like lights and they're glowing. Really simple, easy. I told y'all. I make things simple and easy. You hear me? So all you gotta do is go over that white line one more time just to make it a little bit brighter. That's the side without the color. And this is the side with color. You see how they look like lights? Hold on one second. We love a good transition, and that's on transitions. Did I even say that right? No, barely. And now I'm going to use the new Lancome Idol. I'm going to use that in a second. I forgot I had to highlight. But I'm using the Bretman Rock X Morphe highlighting palette. And I use that white, that quote-unquote white shade. It really has a purple undertone on me. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with that gold for that inner corner shadow, just to kind of open my eyes and brighten them a little bit. But I am going to go back in with mascara. It's the Lancome's new mascara. It's called Idol. And I'm going to use the sample size because I got the sample size before I had gotten the travel size. And you see I had creasing. It was already creasing. I had set it and everything. Y'all saw me set it. Anyway, I do really like this mascara a lot. I feel like it gives my lashes a little bit more fullness. So this is why I use it.
No more fun and games for you, buddy. Get ready, because you're going down.
Oh my God, y'all sound so corny. So corny. This is why I do listen to the original language. You're going down. What? Then I tried this new NYX lip product. And the color online do not look like the color that's on my lips. I don't know what they was talking about. Like, my ass looked like Tyrone Biggums. They looked ashy. And I probably could have saved it with some brown liner, but I didn't know where it was. So I went in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. And I didn't feel like it was brown enough. So I went in with the Kim Kardashian West Beauty and put that lipstick over top. I think that's the darkest lipstick she has. I love that lipstick too. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna spray my face with some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and that is it. And that is the completed look, y'all. All done, ready to go. Christmas lights Light it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, turn on those post notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.